out of these projects, we've been able to touch the lives of 1.5 million farmers directly. And as we move forward, the other projects where the bank has also committed another $450 million to support other projects that can go towards in meeting our food and nutritional security requirements of this country. And our next phase now is now to get to the involvement of beyond 5 million farmers through this project.
I would also want to urge the county governments to increase the funding, because like we have observed, 80% of our funding in agriculture is coming from the World Bank, and that is not a very, very sustainable model. We need to increase our own funding.
These projects that the World Bank has sponsored have actually happened in 45 counties in this republic. And there's a lot of transformation. The World Bank team was in Bungoma recently to check what has happened. And I agree that there's a lot of transformation, and we are looking forward to even more collaboration.
Na watongoria ngũrani na Makiria rũgongo rwa Rift Valley Kauntini